everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. In this very short tutorial, I will show you how easy you can create Merry Christmas card in Adobe Photoshop using 3D objects from PixelSquid.com. So guys, let's rock and roll. I have opened Adobe Photoshop and also I have opened my document. You can create your document, of course, guys, in any size you like. Now I will click on a rectangle tool to select this tool. In the option bar, I will click on fill color and I will pick red, dark red color. You can use any color you like. And now I will create our background just like that. In layers panel, I will double click on layers rectangle layer name and I will rename it to background red just like that. Next step is I will duplicate our background red layer. Because I still have selected my rectangle tool, I will click on fill color in the options bar and I will specify green color. After that, I will rename our green color to background green, just like that. Right click on background green layer and click on rasterize. Switch to polygonal lasso tool and select bottom part of your document. Nothing is too complicated. This is very simple. After you selected part of your lower part of your green layer, click delete key and just like that. Next step is deselect everything in your document. Guys, look at this. Now we have very beautiful and fancy background. Because this tutorial is for my dear beginners, I will lock all layers just to prevent unwanted modifications for you. And after that, I will select my top background green layer. Now, I will click on PixelSquid plugin to open it. How I have all these 3D objects in my Photoshop? Because I downloaded PixelSquid plugin. You can download this plugin from PixelSquid website. Simply go to PixelSquid.com, create your account, and you can download it to your plugin to your Photoshop. After that, you can make search by specific 3D object or you can browse categories. What I will do today, I will type Christmas, just like that, and PixelSquid will display 3D objects for Christmas 3D objects. Look at this. We have 47 pages with ready to go 3D objects. The best part is that you don't have to create any 3D object. All those objects are ready to go. If you would like to download any of those to your PixelSquid plugin in Photoshop, simply click Add to Lightbox, specify Lightbox or a library, you can name it as you like, and voila. If you would like to preview any of 3D object in a separate window, in a bigger window, you can do it as well by clicking on 3D object just like that, like I did, and here in separate a window, you can preview your 3D object in 360. And if you like it, click on Add to Lightbox and specify Lightbox or library, and voila. Now I will open my PixelSquid plugin. I will click on Lightboxes, and here, guys, I have demo library, just like that. Here, two Christmas trees we just downloaded with you, but I would like to use 3D Christmas tree I previously downloaded. Let's see, where is it? I have a huge library, this one. I will click on it, and just like that, PixelSquid downloaded this object to my active document. Now if I will switch to the move tool, I can resize it like I'm doing now, and I can reposition it just like that. Look at this. Now I can rotate it in a way I like directly using PixelSquid window, PixelSquid plugin. Also, I want to switch from low resolution to high resolution, and by default 3D object comes with shadow under it. If you don't like shadow, if you don't want shadow, you can uncheck a switch from on to off, and PixelSquid will remove shadow, but I would like to have shadow on in this document. Now let me close PixelSquid plugin just for now. Next step is I will click on horizontal type tool to select this tool. I will click anywhere in my document and I will type Merry Christmas, just like that. I'm sorry, just like that. I can switch to the move tool and I can move my text anywhere I like. Also, I can rotate it just like that, and I will reposition it in here. Perfect. This is very unique. Of course, guys, you can change font for your text using properties panel. From here, you can change to any type font you like. Everything is up to you, guys. Let's change to, oh, I like this one. It's kind of nice. So this is our Merry Christmas text. Maybe we will add explanation. Just like that. Beautiful. I like it a lot. Look at this. Now what I will do, guys, I will open my PixelSquid plugin, and here we have, let's see, what do I have here? I have some ornament I would like to add. Okay, you can add any of 3D objects from PixelSquid you like. Again, guys, everything is up to you. I would like to add this, let's see, this red ornament. I will click on it, and just like that, PixelSquid added this 3D object to my active document. I will move it a little bit on a top left corner. I will increase size of it and I will reposition it one more time. Next step is I will switch from low to high resolution. It's very simple, just like we did in our Christmas tree. But now I will turn shadow off under my Christmas ornament. Look at this. Beautiful. And again, guys, if you don't like any of 3D objects, you can delete it like I did right now, and you can add another 3D object. Let me see what I would like to add. I didn't like that red ornament. Oh, let's try this one. It's kind of multicolored and will bring more some uniqueness to our design. I will resize it. I will make it bigger. I will move it to the left top corner. I will switch from low resolution to high resolution, just like that, and I will turn off shadows under it. And voila! This is what I wanted to see. Look at this. Guys, you can add less or more details. You can add as many 3D objects as you like. You can add as less 3D object as you like. I don't want to make my card over busy, because now if I would like, I can add, of course, our names in here. I can add some personal text in here. So I would like to have some spaces left to do so. And maybe I will click on 3 and I will reposition it a little bit to the right, just like that. And voila, guys, our Christmas card is ready. So guys, so my lovely beginners, this tutorial is for you. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learned something. If so, please create something and share your creation with me. I cannot wait to see what you will create. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, guys, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.